Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button at the center. When we tap here we can change aspect ratio. Now we are in 4 and 3. Let's move to 1 and 1 to the right corner. As you can see, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it looks like. Another tap to the center, and let's move to the left to 16 and 9. And in the preview we can see that this is the longer one. And also when we tap here once again, we can go to the left corner to the full one. And this is how it looks like. We have also here a more complicated way to manage aspect ratio, so let's move now to the left corner to this button to open the advanced camera settings. At the first place now we have camera resolution option. When we tap here we get access to the same aspect ratios like in this quick access in the camera preview. And also we have one extra thing, 4 and 3 with 64 megapixels quality, so this is the best possible quality of this camera, and this is the way to get access to it. Now let's go back to the preview. As you can see, we have less options because this quality is not available with all of that. And to go back to the standard one, let's tap again to the left corner button to the camera resolution and pick whatever we need here. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.